So it's Sunday, December 22nd here in Golden Valley. It's about 4 o'clock, I guess, in the afternoon. Anyways, I haven't been posting anything. I haven't been riding much in the last 3 or 4 weeks. I had a couple of health issues, so I had to take care of those. In the meantime, I built this track here behind my mom's house. That's her house there, the green one. We live next door with the horses there. And anyways, I don't know. I moved quite a bit of dirt, I guess, and just making some whoop-de-doos. Around here, a hill, a little step up, a little flat top there, and building a little rock garden over yonder. So, anyways, I got red tagged on it too. My neighbor there behind us, he loves me, so he turned me into the county. So they red tagged it, and so I put in grading plans for jumps. So we'll see what happens, because I did have a permit. I built a pad there for my mom's house, so we had a permit for it. So they're looking into it. So either way, we'll get it done, whether they just write it off or if I have to get another permit. I already turned in the application for it on Thursday, so we'll see what happens there. And anyways, just a good place to come practice, especially when I'm busy at work during the week. I can come over here for an hour or so, and it's it's takes a lot more energy going over these whoops and stuff than it does out riding out in the wild where I have been up in the mountains over there west of us. So anyways, I'll take you around this track and show you what it is. Maybe if y'all have recommendations, let me know. I just looked at some stuff on YouTube how to build the whoop-de-doos, and they seem pretty good. So I built this ramp here, pretty much just to learn to wheelie off of and just get control of the bike going forwards and backwards, and maybe some one-footed wheelie stands and turnarounds. So that's mainly what I started doing, and I ended up with this. So anyways, it's fun. Definitely get your heart rate going up, going over the whoops. I'm riding the 300. I rode the 500 around this yesterday. It was fun. This is kind of a step up. I put some railroad ties there. Let's go around here slow so you can see it. There's the first whoop. And I got the rock garden there. More whoops. Probably put a bank turn in right here. Whoa. Those there are a little tight, so I might have to space those out. Feels good when I get a rhythm going. That's not very often. miss that. Also, trying this Insta360 X5 out too. See how it looks. Anyways, there's my red tag. New ticket on that one.